ever made your own cream cheese? I sure haven't, but I'm gonna give it a try today. Well, hello my friends, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and I am indeed making cream cheese today. I have some milk, and it is the day for it to be done, and I don't know really, I don't want to can it or anything. I just thought I would try making some cheese or some cream cheese, and so I found a recipe for cream cheese, and that's what we're gonna do. I found this recipe for cream cheese on biggerboulderbaking.com. So I'll give them credit for this if it works and blame them if it doesn't. It looks pretty simple. I'm gonna make a double batch, 3 ingredients, and let's get to it. So I have my milk in my pot, I have my heat set to medium, and I am going to start stirring. They say to stir constantly. Well, we went up to medium-high because I reread the recipe, and that's what it said, do it at medium-high, and then when it reaches a rolling boil, turn it down to medium. I know I'm blocking your view entirely there. And then start adding, you can use lemon juice or lime juice or vinegar. I'm going to use vinegar. I do have lemon juice, but I'm going to go ahead and add vinegar. It says to go and add it a tablespoon at a time. And keep stirring and do about a minute in between each addition. So what we're looking for is for our milk to curdle. Now I'm not using whole milk because I don't have whole milk. I'm using 2% because that's what I have. So we'll see what happens. It is starting to curdle a little bit. I don't know if you can see that from your perch, but it is starting to curdle. So we'll keep going. It said 2 to 3 tablespoons for 4 cups, and I've got 8 cups in here, so I'm probably going to need 5 or 6 tablespoons. That's 3. But we'll do like it says and add them a little bit at a time. Look at that. It's making curds. Yay. So that's pretty cool. Break that off a little bit. And I do have another 8 cups of milk that I need to do something with, but I didn't want to ruin the whole jug of milk. Alright, that's 5. What do you think? I'm going to go ahead and put that 6th tablespoon in. And we'll give it a couple of minutes here, and then I guess apparently with cream cheese you can just go ahead and strain it. So I'll turn this off and get that set up, because I should have done that before, but kind of hard to, I guess I should have set everything up beforehand, but you know how it is when you're doing something for the first time, it never quite works exactly the way you think it's going to. But yeah, that's got some nice curds. I'm going to get a big bowl. And we'll go from there. And then I think I'll use that whey. Ooh, you can use whey to make bread. So I'm going to do that too. Anyway, off we go. I have my strainer and I have a piece of cheesecloth. And then let me grab my oven mitts. And we'll go ahead and strain this. Hopefully this bowl is big enough. Out you go. Easy. So now it says to let it sit and cool for 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it with another piece of cheesecloth. And then I'll be back in 15 minutes or so. I wonder if I should refrigerate it. I'll check. Ah! You can see that. I'm just dropping stuff. Just cheesecloth, so it's okay. Now our curds go into, well here, I can probably do it easier with this. Curds into the food processor. And we'll toss that in there for a good wash. And we'll put the lid on. And we'll put this in here. And we're going to go for 3 or 4 minutes. We're looking pretty creamy, so I'm going to add a bit of salt. And we're going to go for another minute or so. Oh, would you look at that? Now let's give it a taste. Give it a taste. I think it needs a little more salt. So they did say to add your salt in increments and taste it each time. So I am going to add a little bit more salt. Well, it looks fantastic. And this time I am going to stick my clean finger in because my spoon is dirty. So if you're grossed out by that, sorry. Well, that's pretty darn good. It's a little bland, so I might add a little bit more salt to it. But it has a really nice, thick consistency. I could see using it for definitely a dip. Or I'm going to actually be mixing it with some of my pumpkin and making another pumpkin cheesecake. And yeah, that's what we're doing. And then I'll be making another batch of that tonight too, because I want to get that milk used up. And yeah, so that worked out nicely. Anyway, if you stayed all the way to the end, thank you so much. I hope that you're subscribed, and if you're not, you should be, because, you know, it's free. I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. I've been kind of doing the shorts and just stepping away a little bit from being on YouTube quite so much, but I am still here and I am still doing stuff, and I am gonna start putting out some more videos again. And if you haven't checked out my shorts, check out some of my shorts. Most of them are my painting, and so it's just a brief little look of the actual, you know, 15 to 30 second painting process, which is kind of cool to watch. And then a couple, I have one of Tabby being the smartest cat in the world. If you haven't seen her yet, you should go check out my video, Tabby, the smartest cat in the world. She now can communicate with me when she wants something. I need to teach her some more words though, because she only knows one. Let me tell you, she uses it all the time. I have created a monster. Anyway, I'm going to take off now and finish off this cheese. Like I said, I think I'm going to add a little bit more salt to it. And then I'm going to use that whey and make some dough. I might make some pizza dough and freeze that. And then I might make some, I don't know, I've been wanting to make cinnamon buns. So I might be making some cinnamon buns. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you, and I'm super happy to see you, and I will see you again soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want snuggles? Do you want up? What do you want? I don't know what you want. Use your words. What? All right. Good girl. There you go.